Right, here goes the start of the Vietnamese po, also called beef noodle soup. So we start. We have noodles. These are a little small, but they'll do the job. Spring onions, chilies. 1 chili for cooking and 1 chili for garnish. Mint, beef stock and a lemon. I've only got half a litre, so I'll make another half out of actual stock. Bean sprouts. Check out the deal on those, eh? Star anise, ginger, garlic, onion, ground nut or peanut oil preferably, black peppercorns, fish sauce, carrot, half a litre of water, and a beer for me. Phase 2. 2 small red chilies or 1 big, 1 large onion, 200 grams, 2 cloves of garlic, I like more garlic, 1 carrot, a tablespoon of ginger, a litre of beef stock, teaspoon of peppercorns and 2 star anise, 500 gram of steak of various sorts, but make it as nice as possible. Then freeze it and slice it so you can get it in very thin slices. And then noodles and 120 grams of 200 grams of bean sprouts. 2 tablespoons of mint leaves, which have gone missing. Ah, there they are. Then these are the condiments that go on afterwards. 2 tablespoons of mint leaves, fish sauce which goes in the main mix. Stir the chili, onions, carrot, garlic and ginger until the onion is soft. Onion is now soft. Add your star anise, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns and a litre of beef stock, as well as half a litre of water. Add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. All the ingredients are now in, and we're now going to bring this to the boil, then turn it back to simmer it for half an hour to infuse all the tastes into the beef stock. Thereafter we will sieve the mixture and serve it on noodles, etc. I've now taken the meat out of the freezer and it is semi-solid, so it should be easy to cut. There's not much press on there. Beef has now been sliced. I sliced it more or less from not frozen, but it had been in there about 3/4 of an hour. Theoretically, once we pour the boiling hot soup over this meat, it should cook it and leave it slightly pink in the middle. If you're concerned, then put the meat into the soup before you actually serve it to get it cooked deeper, because the soup will be, the soup will be boiling, or the broth will be boiling before it comes out. By the way, this feeds 4 people. This is what it looks like after a 20-second dunking. Having cooked the soup, we lay a bed of noodles that are cooked into the bowl, add some bean sprouts and lay the garnishes over, as well as the beef, very thinly sliced, uncooked, because the hot soup should cook the beef as it gets served. I've now sieved all the solids out of the broth, and we now have a broth like this. The objective is to get it to boiling point again, and then to pour it over the noodles here, which are now cooked. So I'm now going to lay out this bowl with the noodles, and then we're ready to go. Okay, we have now added the bean sprouts, the noodles, the beef, the mint, the lemon, and we are now ready to go with the piece de la résistance, which is the absolutely amazingly boiling stock. Okay, all being served. And as you can see, the meat is starting to cook.